Hi, welcome back to Trailhead Titans. So today we will discuss about what is exactly Salesforce, what Salesforce do, what is CRM, like this type of th- things will be discussed in this PPT. So first is introduction to Salesforce. So what is exactly Salesforce? Why is Salesforce learning important? Salesforce is a cloud based customer relationship management platform that helps business manage their sales, customer service, marketing, and other related activities. Okay, so it provides a centralized hub. Okay, for companies to store and manage customer data, track sales, lead, automate marketing campaigns, and streamlines their business processes. Okay, so this is the definition of our Salesforce. So let's take a simple scenario. Suppose that XYZ company, okay, that is sales and customer relationship management. Okay, so XYZ company, that it is a technology that they sell some software solution to business. Okay, then they use Salesforce to streamline their sales and customer relationship process. Okay, so what was the steps are that first step is that is lead management. So okay, when a potential customer expresses interest in XYZ company software, okay, so the sales team create a lead record in Salesforce. This lead record include information such as lead name, contact details, company name, product which are interested in. Okay, then it code for opportunity tracking. Okay, if the lead shows strong interest, the sales team can convert the lead into an opportunity. Okay, this opportunity in Salesforce contains details about the potential sale, including the expected deal value, what is their deal value, the stage of your sales process, that it is negotiating, yeah, prospecting stage, yeah, qualification stage, like this type of stage are there in the opportunity. Then it's closed one. Okay, so any associated tasks or activities that to be performed in opportunity tracking. Okay, after that, sales process automation. So Salesforce allows that the what was that XYZ company to automate various aspects of their sales process. For instance, they can set up automated email campaign to nurture leads and send follow-up emails at specific stages of the sales cycle. Okay, and schedule reminders that for sale representative to follow up with potential customer. Okay, last point, fourth point is that is customer support. Okay, the support XYZ company also uses Salesforce for their customer support. When a customer submits a support request, a case is created in Salesforce. This case tracks the details of the issue, and customer support representatives can use Salesforce tools to prioritize and resolve cases efficiently and equivalent efficient way. Okay, fifth point is that is marketing automation. That marketing team at XYZ company utilizes Salesforce marketing automation features to create targeted campaign. Okay, they can track the effectiveness of marketing efforts, analyze customer responses, and adjust their strategies based on real-time data. And last point is that is analytics and reporting. These type of Salesforce provide robust analytics and reporting tools that allows XYZ companies to analyze sales performance, track their customer satisfaction, and gain insight into various business metrics. Customize and reports and dashboard help in management team make informed decisions. What are their decisions in that analytics and reporting? That these are the whole data come in that reporting and dashboard. Okay, so in short, Salesforce acts as a comprehensive platform that centralizes their customer information, streamline their business process, and enhance collaboration among different teams within XYZ company. This result is improved efficiency, better customer relationship, and more informed decision making. This is the definitions of what is Salesforce and why is learning Salesforce important. Okay, so So the next slide is that is history and founder of Salesforce. So Salesforce is the world first and most popular CRM system. Okay, the headquarters of Salesforce is situated in San Francisco. So it was founded in March 1999 by former Oracle executive Mark Benioff. Okay, more than 82,000 companies and many customers use this dynamic web-based and low-cost CRM platform. Okay, so what is Salesforce? What is customer relationship management? CRM, a strategy for managing an organization relationship and interaction with customer and potential customers. That is salesforce.com. That here the pictures recognizes the record customer contact information, that is email, telephone, website, social media profile, and organize their information, that is leave the complete recall of individual and companies, and improve customer relationship management, creates a 360-degree view of the customer and their interaction within the business. That is, when a lead is coming, it get converted into opportunity, accounts, and contact. After that, the opportunity has various stages, that it will be negotiating phase, that is it will be prospecting stage, and it will be closed one, how to deal like this customer. Okay, so what is the benefits of Salesforce? So the benefits of Salesforce, it's a low cost, low risk cloud based solution software service to buy. It's supposed on all the browsers. Complete solution includes feature resolution for marketing, sales service, and partner management and community management. Okay, fast result because it trains resources on high value, low cost, and focus on innovation. Salesforce required no software to install, and there is no hardware requirement either. Okay, these are the Salesforce cloud, like Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Marketing Cloud, Community Cloud, App, Commerce, IoT, Cube. These are the different types of Salesforce clouds which you have worked on, all the different types of cloud. Okay, so the Salesforce platform, your complete serum on the platform, that is always getting better. Like these are the Lightning, Einstein, Thunder, Plata platform. Okay, why is learning Salesforce important? Here are the Salesforce economy, that creating minimums of jobs and million of trailblazers, like 3.3 million new jobs by 2022, dollar 859 billion GDP impact by 2022, like these type of. Okay, Salesforce economy. What are the job opportunities of Salesforce? That is, Salesforce had Salesforce.com. It's a huge big company in India, that is app exchange companies, consulting companies, companies that use Salesforce, Deloitte, Conga, Spotify, like this type of. Okay, customer success platform, these are the customer 360 degree of customer success platform, that is sales, service, marketing, commerce, engagement platform, ecosystem integration, industries. Okay, okay, these are the companies that comes under Salesforce, that Delta, Canon, Bank, Deloitte, like this, the L'Oreal. Okay, so coming to next slide, what is Salesforce Ohana? Okay, a culture of engaging all stakeholders, that is trust, customer success, innovation, equality, that is employees, customer, partners, and community, giving back, well-being, transparent, customer success, growth, innovation. These are the stages of all the culture of engaging the other stakeholder, that is Salesforce Ohana. Okay, that the here are the trailblazer community, includes everybody, that is Salesforce MBB community group, student group, vet force, women in technology, ISV and SIs, and strategy technology. Okay, employees struggle to find people with skills they need. Okay, here 81% of companies struggle to find, and 71% employees think recent grades are unprepared. Okay, more than learning skills, that learn technical or business skills, plus support each other while learning, that get career advice and mentorship, ask questions about community group, build their network through LinkedIn, and become your job ready. Okay, what are the opportunities? That learn Salesforce through Salesforce Trailhead, network opportunity, joint user group events, speaker panels, career fairs for Salesforce, volunteering events, certification funding, and Dreamforce. Okay, next step is sign up for a Salesforce developer account and create a Trailhead account. Log into the Trailblazer community. Sign up for the Trailblazer community group. Okay, first is sign up for a Salesforce developer account. Go to developer.salesforce.com/sign up. Here the page will be open like this. Lightning platform. Your own get your very own developer edition for free. There are certain forms are there, that is role. You can role company name, that ABC company. Create a developer account for free, and also create a Trailhead account, that is sign up. Here the button for sign up for developer edition credentials. Okay, log into your Trailblazer community, that is http://trailblazer.salesforce.com. Here you can join our community. Okay, sign our Trailblazer community group. Okay, start blazing your trail, that is Salesforce career exploration for student Trailhead basics. Okay, that's it about our Trailhead. So thank you guys. Please hit like and subscribe our Salesforce channel. Thank you.